Sound is the receptor for the mind. What we hear, mind visualize the circumstance. There are different potencies of sound. We feel the effect in us. But if you observe the sound derived from the creative word Om, it has infinite potencies. It has cosmic vibratory power behind all atomic energies. Any word spoken with clear realization and deep concentration has a materializing value. Loud or silent repetition of inspiring words has been found effective in various systems of psychotherapy. The secret lies in the stepping up of the mind's vibratory rate. Frankly, meditation is not a practice system that we keep on practicing every day and get addicted to meditative sleep and we enjoy the pleasure of ecstasy. It is different for everyone, but it is definitely enjoyable, no doubt. I suggest adding correct and creative word would bring lots of changes in our senses. Meditative means cessation of modification of the mind stuff. Don't sleep while you meditate.